Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the split text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word split, and I'm also going to change the font here. Then I am going to just right click, and I'm going to select create compound clip. Here, go to video, go to mask, and select mirror, and you're going to reverse that. And then I'm just going to add a keyframe here, and then like right about here or wherever, I'm just going to split the text like that, and I'm going to create like a space for my text here. And that's a little bit too slow. Okay, then I'm going to add in like the text that I want here. And I'm just going to place it a little bit closer to the beginning. And I'm also going to add the zoom animation. I do have to right click and create compound clip, I think, first to be able to do that. Where is zoom? Not this one. Nope, not that one. Either do zoom or the fade in animation if you can't find it. I don't know, I'm not sure why. Okay, it's this one. Place it at 0.3 seconds. Okay, this is a little bit slow, so I'm just going to put the keyframes closer to each other. Maybe I should put the animation a little bit longer. Just adjust it with your like mask. Here I'm going to make the animation a little bit longer. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!